Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2017 Nissan Altima 2.5S, stock number E2534P. 30,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Gun metallic in color. The Altima is in the mid-size car class. Seats 5, cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. It's a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera. Spacious trunk. The wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This ass has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player.
There are no phones connected to the vehicle.
Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. And there's, of course, where the backup camera displays, heating and air conditioning, USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices, automatic transmission, lots of storage space in the armrest, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Altima has a 2.5-liter, 4-cylinder, 179 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a mid-size sedan. EPA average of 27 miles to the gallon and a city average of 39 on the highway, and approximately 20% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Altima, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.